friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add grid in Elementor. As you can see, I am editing a page of my website using Elementor, and here we are in the Elementor, and here there is an option of plus in the middle of the screen, right? You just need to click on this plus, and here it is asking us about the layout, right? Here we are going to select the grid, right? In the grid it is asking for us about the structure, right? If we select the first one, it is 1 row and 2 column, and the next one is 2 rows and 1 column, and the next one is 1 row and 3 columns, and the next one is 3 rows and 1 column, and the next one is 2 row and 2 columns, and the next one is 2 row and 3 column, right? So these are some structures, right? We can also increase the number of rows and columns in the grid, right? So I'm going to select this one, the first one, 1 row and 2 column, right? So here you have you can see like we have added this particular grid, right? And to edit this grid, you can either click on this 6 dots, right? Here it will automatically show us edit container, so I have just clicked on these 6 dots, and in the left side toolbar you can see there are 3 options. The first one is layout, style and advanced, right? Here in the container layout is of grid, right? And if we want flexbox, then we can simply select the flexbox as well. So here it is grid, and the content width is boxed. We can also change it to full width, or like we can again make it boxed. Okay, so here it is boxed as of now, and here it is full width. Okay, so scrolling down, here in the items you can also change the column, number of column. For example, I want 7 to 8 columns. I can simply move the scroller over here, so we can also type the number of columns we want. So here we want 2 columns right now. If we want more number of rows, we can simply increase the number of rows also, right? Or you can simply enter the number of rows whatever you required, right? So this is how you can add a grid in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have already mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit our blog and read articles related to Elementor. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.